Hello and welcome to LeoTECH 3-month certificate software training programs, and I am your tutor Alasan Creative. I'm going to take you through AutoCAD drawing of a tap, 2D tap, and I'm definitely going to use simple methods so that you can follow through and understand quite well. So before we start drawing, we need to set our units. All of these units have been set to millimeters. So try to set our unit. Decimal, 0 precision, millimeters. Okay. Now we need to draw this circle. We're going to start from the top right through the bottom. So therefore we're going to start with this circle of radius 25 millimeters. Now we take center radius circle and draw a circle of 25 millimeters. I'm going to turn this UCS off. If we take a look here, we have the handle of span 175 millimeters. So therefore, if we divide 175 by 2, we'll get it's 7.5. So here's what we're going to do. And also the distance here is 25. So now we're going to draw a vertical line from anywhere, a vertical line of 25. Move that line to the center of the circle, and now we can copy it on either side by it's 7.5. Okay. Now we're going to connect the diagonal points with a line. This point to this point, and this point to this point. Next, we have to trim everything inside the circle. Take trim command and trim these lines. Next, if we look at the drawing, we have a length of 100, another one of 25, and the length here again is 75 by another one, which is 100. Now we are going to draw a line from the center of this circle 100 downwards. Okay, then we need a line of 75, another one 100 with 25 here. So we take a line, draw a line of 75, move this line from the midpoint here to here, and draw another line of 25 from here to here, 25. We can then select this and mirror from this midpoint here to this side. Now if we take a look here, we have 25 distance here. So this rod is 25, so therefore we have to offset 12.5 on either side. So therefore we have to offset this to this way, 12.5 and 12.5. We trim this and this also. Next we have a line of 100. So 100, we draw a line of 100 and we need to fix it at the midpoint of this. So we move it, snap through this point, snap this point of intersection is where we are going to fix it. Now we copy this from here, here and here. Okay, now we want to draw these two arcs, one of radius 63 and the other radius of 100. Take a center radius circle and draw the first circle of radius 63. Take another circle again and draw another circle of radius 100. Now move this circle from the top here, the bigger circle, from the top to the bottom of the smaller circle. Then select both circles and move from this quadrant point to this point. Now you need to draw a line downwards of 25 millimeters. Then you can trim this part and this part. Next, we want to get this arc, and we know it is at a distance of 75. So therefore, use the offset command and offset this at a distance of 75. And at that point, use line and draw a line of 25 downwards. Then you can connect it here. Okay. Now we have a distance of 113 to the center of this arc. 113. So therefore, we draw a line of 113 so that this point is going to be the center of our circle of radius 38. So we draw a circle of radius 38. Good. Now if you take a look, we have another line going this way of length 188. So coming from the center again. So therefore, we draw another line of 188. Now we have fillet edges here of radius 25 and here also 25. So take fillet, look at the command line, you see radius, click on radius and enter the radius, which is 25, and then click these 2 points, press enter again and click this next 2 points. From there you can trim this other half of the circle. Okay, now if you take a look, we have another fillet edge here and we have another one here. We're going to do a bit of mathematics here, wherein this length is 100. 100 minus 75 is 25, and therefore 25 divided by 2 is 12.5 here and 12.5 here. So here is what we're going to do. We're going to offset this upwards by 75, then we offset both of them outwards, 12.5, 12.5. So we take offset this outward 12.5. We offset this again upwards by 75. Then offset it again by 12.5. We can now close these points with line, and next we have to fillet these edges. Select fillet command and give it a fillet radius of 12.5. Now select this line and this line, press enter and select this line and this line. Next we have a distance here of 25 before we can close with 100. So select line, draw a line of 25, downwards 100, and close 25. Good. Now we have to trim this line and this line, or even delete. Let's just delete. And finally, we're going to mirror this to this other side. So we select it, click a mirror command, and pick this point, come vertically downwards and click and say no. Now we need to trim this. And that's it. I hope you follow through, and if you have any problem, please let me know at the comment section, and please don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and share our videos. If you have any problem with drawing to this drawing, you can always put it down in the comment section, then I will pick it up from there. I promise to do a video on whatever is troubling you. Don't forget to look out for the part 2 of this video, where we will be dimensioning this drawing. Thank you.